emulsions. Hello students, today we will discuss about method of preparation of emulsions. There are three methods: dry gum method, wet gum method and bottle method. So before discussing about these methods, first we will discuss in preparation of emulsions we have three basic ingredients: oil, water and emulsifying agent. Now in emulsifying agent we most commonly take gum acacia. So how to mix them? We will mix them in a fixed ratio to make a primary emulsion. The ratio for fixed oil is, for oil, water and gum. For fixed oil, the ratio is 4:2:1. Means if we take 4 ml of oil, we will have to measure 2 ml water and 1 gram of gum acacia. So in case of dry gum method now, and if we are using fixed oil, we will take a mortar. This mortar should be dry. In mortar we put oil 4 ml, then we add gum acacia 1 gram. We will mix it. After mixing, we will add 2 ml water. Then we will triturate. This water should be put drop-wise with thorough trituration. We can't put 2 ml water whole at once. We will add small amount of water drop-wise and then triturate, then add water, then triturate until whole 2 ml of water is completed. So when we triturate after adding whole water, a clicking sound is produced. This peculiar clicking sound tells us that primary emulsion is prepared. So at this time, the emulsion will be white in color, creamy, and clicking sound is produced. After preparing primary emulsion, we add the remaining water, which is given in the formula, to make the full emulsion. We can add some water soluble ingredients here, and remaining water is added to make the full emulsion. So first we will prepare primary emulsion by mixing oil, water and gum in a fixed ratio. For example, if oil is given 8 ml, water is given 30 ml, we have to prepare the emulsion. So what we will do? We will measure 8 ml oil, put 2 gram gum acacia, oil 4 ml, for 4 ml we take 1 gram gum acacia, for 8 ml oil we take 2 gram gum acacia. So 2 gram gum we will put it into, then we will add water. How much water we need? 4 ml according to the ratio, 8, 4 and 2. So we will add 4 ml water drop-wise with trituration. Then primary emulsion will be formed. After that we will add remaining water. We have added 4 ml water. Now we will add the remaining water at this point after preparing primary emulsion. So remaining water is added, then we will make the full emulsion after trituration. So this was the dry gum method. Next we come to wet gum. So in wet gum method, the whole procedure is same as we have done in dry gum method. The ratio is same for fixed oil, 4:2:1. The difference only is here in the mortar, we need not to dry the mortar. We can take the wet mortar. We will have to add first water and gum. We will not add oil first. We will add water and gum. Mix it. Then we will add oil droplets with thorough trituration until clicking sound is produced. When clicking sound is produced, primary emulsion is formed. So the difference only here is from wet, it becomes that water is taken in the mortar first, oil is added afterwards. Ratio is same, oil, water and gum. 4:2:1. If oil is 8 ml, we will take 4 ml water and gum 2 gram. Accordingly, we can calculate the ratio. This was wet gum method. This ratio is for fixed oil. For volatile oil, we will discuss next bottle method. This is the third method for preparing emulsion, bottle method. This method is used for volatile oil. Volatile oil like peppermint oil, dill oil, which are volatile in nature. For volatile oil, the ratio is oil, water and gum. The ratio is 4:4:2. Here the gum is taken in double amount. Here for 4 ml oil, 1 gram gum acacia was taken, but here for 4 ml oil, 2 gram of gum acacia is taken. Because volatile oil is of less viscosity as compared to fixed oil. Fixed oil is more viscous. To increase its viscosity, we will have to add some more gum acacia. The method is same in case of bottle method. Bottle is taken instead of mortar. The emulsion is prepared in a bottle instead of mortar. In dry gum method and wet gum method, we take mortar and then we add oil, water, gum in a fixed ratio. But in case of bottle method, we take bottle. Reason is volatile oil, it gets evaporated. As it is volatile in nature, if we will take mortar, the volatile oil gets evaporated. So, we take a bottle, add water into it, gum acacia, mix it by shaking the bottle. Then we add oil dropwise, same procedure. Then oil dropwise and vigorous shaking of bottle until whole oil is used. Then clicking sound is produced, so it will become the primary emulsion. Then we will add remaining water and full emulsion is formed. So this was the procedure for preparing of emulsion. 3 methods were there. I hope you must have understood. Thank you so much.